How does the project, program, or operation demonstrate excellence in the conservation of natural resources and environmental protection through the application of stormwater practices and erosion/sediment control?
Our project demonstrates excellence because it was a very calculated approach to a very important problem, which was protecting our important watersheds in the Sacramento River here in the Redding area. We were able to treat over 1,000 acres near high priority streams that are crucial to salmon spawning beds and for drinking water intakes for the city of Redding and surrounding areas. So I think it very effectively honed in a calculated approach to a very large project and did the most good that could have been done with this unprecedented environmental disaster that we experienced with the Carr Fire in Redding.
Explain the existing methodology, scientific design, unique approaches, and/or a combination of all to effectively maximize performance behind the project.
Our main methodology was to figure out how we could most effectively stop the sediment and toxins from the fire from mobilizing into our waterways. So we employed a combination of different methods. Where access was accommodating, we were able to use hydroseeding, and where access didn't allow for hydroseeding, we employed a large workforce of individuals to do hand application of straw, native grass seed, organic fertilizer, and mycorrhizal inoculant. And we were able to really track very carefully how our treatment was, the effectiveness of our treatment with a monitoring program where we had microplots with the different treatments. We were capturing the quantities and the toxicity levels of the sediment and really seeing that our treatments were having a really effective impact on slowing the sediment from entering our local waterways.
Can this project be replicated for other projects for similar outcomes? Why or why not?
I think this project can be replicated, although the cost may be prohibitive of that. This was kind of not necessarily a pilot project, but nothing had been attempted of this scale for these fires that are becoming so regular now, unfortunately. The cost was great, but I think there have been some, if it were to be replicated again, there are some lessons that we've learned that could help it be even more effective for potentially less of a price tag. We learned lessons on how to get a hold of people and get permission to do work on their properties after the fire, which was a really big hurdle to overcome. We learned what elements of our erosion control treatments were the most effective. And so those kind of cost benefits can be analyzed now from this project and be replicated and used in the future for other similar post-fire situations.